Hi everyone, my name is Spring. In today's video, I am sharing some DIY Valentine's party ideas. I'm also making a few chocolate dip treats such as strawberries and some Rice Krispies and pretzels. So if you enjoy watching that type of content, be sure to hit that red subscribe button down below and make sure your bell notifications are turned on. So we're gonna get started in today's video. I'll be adding in some cute decorations on the piano and a dessert station at the small table. On my dining room table, I'll be using some roses and a variety of candles. And for the backdrop, I have something really cute planned with balloons and a French curtain. And then for my coffee bar, it's looking nice, but I want to add in a few more touches of Valentine's decor. And this will be set up for warm and cold drinks as well. So, alrighty guys, let's do this. So first things first, on my dining room table, I am going to start off with a red runner. I bought this fabric over at Hobby Lobby quite a few years ago, but it has little red hearts on it, and I think this is the cutest, and it is definitely long enough to give a nice dramatic effect on my dining room table. And then for my cylinder vases, I am just reusing these from my daughter's wedding, so I will be using several of these. I'm going to be adding in some floating candles, also the tapered candles. I found those at the Dollar Tree, and then some of the small pillar candles as well. I really do love that floating candles have made a comeback. I'm also going to be adding in some white roses. Again, I'm reusing these decor pieces from my daughter's wedding, but I love the way everything came together. And then on the candle holders for the tapered candles, I had some red ribbon laying around, so I decided to tie some bows. I just love that look. I think it looks so feminine, and I just love the way it looks. So I decided to add in some bows onto the candle holders. I found a lot of really cute decor pieces, such as the ones I'm showing you at the Dollar Tree. I thought they were so adorable, and if I had the space to buy all of those little plastic candy jars, I definitely would have probably bought at least 3 to 5 of them, but I was like, no, let's just stick to what I'm doing. So anyway, I also found those heart-shaped marshmallows at Dollar Tree. They are so yummy and definitely helps curb the sweet tooth craving. But I also have some heart-shaped spoons that I'm setting up here for my coffee, and then just adding in a few decor pieces. So alright guys, I am so sorry. I forgot to hit record as I was setting up my backdrop, but I didn't have any glue dots, so I'm like, you know what? Hot glue does the trick. So what I did here, as you can see, I did use the hot glue on the foil balloons, but I was trying to stick them directly onto the fringe backdrop and that didn't work out. So I just moved the balloons over onto the wall. It did not ruin my paint or my drywall at all, but I was very unprepared. I did not have enough hot glue, so I was getting a little bit frustrated, to be honest. I decided to move on to blowing up the latex balloons, which I'm going to stick those to the top of my ceiling. I tried to use tape, didn't work. I didn't want to risk it, you know, maybe using hot glue, so I had to stop what I was doing, go run to the store, get more hot glue. I found glue dots and that worked like a charm. And again, you guys, I am so sorry that I did not show you step by step, but it's pretty simple. I just used the glue dots, put them on either side of the fringe curtain, and then the balloons that I hung from the ceiling, I just put a glue dot on the very top of the balloon and stuck them to the top of my ceiling above my dining room table, and it came out so adorable. I added some little gold, like the little balloon, what is it, like the little balloon ribbon that you add on with the cute little red heart love note, and I thought it came out so adorable. But again, it's not anything that, you know, you need special instructions for, but it does look super adorable. So here are the end shots of how everything turned out. So the treats I made for my dessert table were chocolate dipped strawberries, chocolate dipped pretzels, and chocolate dipped Rice Krispie treats. I did use milk chocolate and then white chocolate. So as you can see here, I'm just dipping my strawberries. My chocolate, I just use the chocolate bark from Walmart or Ghirardelli chocolate, whichever I'm able to get my hands on. So for the chocolate, you always want to melt it in 30-second intervals, stirring in between until it's melted. Let it cool for a little bit. For the strawberries, you want to be sure that you rinse them very thoroughly. Then in order to have a nice dipped strawberry, you want to be sure that you dry your strawberry thoroughly with paper towels. Use toothpicks, dip them, you know, in your chocolate, and then just let them set on parchment paper. The pretzels, dip them in. So, you know, it's pretty simple, but I think I will make another video before Valentine's Day just to go more into detail on how to make your chocolate dipped strawberries. But I am just drizzling my strawberries and adding in a few Valentine inspired sprinkles that I have, and then I'm doing the same thing with my pretzels, just doing a drizzle over them, and then I will be adding in or adding sprinkles onto them. And again, I did these in milk chocolate and then in white chocolate as well. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. I hope that this video gave you some inspiration when you're hosting your next Valentine's or Galentine's Day party. We'll see you on the next video, guys. Bye!